Hello! I've been so excited for this video because I can finally open things that I've been waiting to show you. Some of the stuff actually that I'm going to show you I've been using for a while, but my favourite item of this whole video I haven't opened since I bought it over a week ago, so it'll be nice to see it again. So yeah, as you guessed from the thumbnail and title, this is going to be a general haul of kawaii things. It's not from one specific thing. It's kind of a collection of items I've amassed over the past few months, and I just thought it'd be fun to show you. So let's get started. This is a Percy Pig cushion. I got this Valentine's Day, I think. I love it. I love it. It's from Marks and Spencer's. I think I kept the label on. £15. Not bad, not bad. I just thought it was so cute with a little flower. I didn't realise they did like different Percy Pig faces. I thought it was just Percy. I was wrong. There's different kind of characters from the Percy Pig universe, it seems. So very happy to have this cushion. I keep it on the chair I do my makeup on. So yeah, I love it. I did buy that a while ago. The second thing I want to show you is the most recent thing, and I want to get this out of the way ASAP, so that's why I'm doing it now. Every time you Google what's the best liquid eyeliner, or what's the best black eyeliner, or what's the best eyeliner pen, whatever you Google, everyone always says the KVD tattoo liner. So I thought, let's try it, see what the hype is about. This is terrible, absolutely terrible. I don't know why, maybe did I get a bad one? But just like, I've used it today, I just find it slightly patchy. It's just not as dark. When you buy a black liquid eyeliner, like, you expect it to be dark black, not grey, not translucent, but opaque dark black. It feels like when I opened it the first time I used it, it felt like it had already been opened for a couple of weeks, to be honest, which is very strange. So I don't know why it feels so bad. It says shake it before you use it. I've tried doing that, it doesn't do anything, so I'm not very happy with this. Just wanted to rant about it. Because yeah, I've seen people talk about it for years, and obviously I've never bought it because of Kat Von D's association, because it is her brand, or was her brand. So yeah, I was looking for a new eyeliner. I thought, she's left the brand now, it'll be safe to buy. She doesn't hopefully get any money from it. Disappointing. I can't believe I've been lied to all of these years by the internet. Anyway, on to more positive stuff. I think everything else is from my Brighton trip. No, it's not. These earrings I bought a few weeks ago. These are by my friend, ASOR London. Cute little cherries. Obsessed. Anyway, yeah, so the rest of all the stuff is from my trip to Brighton. There is a video on the channel of my vlog from that day with my friend Letty, who you've seen hopefully before if you've watched this video. So yeah, we went to Brighton for a day trip while she was here, and we just went with the hopes of finding kawaii things, kawaii people. We didn't find that many kawaii people, to be honest, I think because we were there on a weekend, whereas when I've been to Brighton before and I've gone for a walk around the lanes, I always find very alternative people, but it's usually on a weekday, and I'm guessing they would be students. And when I was a student, I didn't go into the city centre on a weekend because I could just go on a weekday where it was quieter. So I'm thinking maybe that's why we didn't bump into so many kawaii people like I was hoping we would, but it was still an incredible day. We met Aisha, who you will have seen a few times hopefully. So yeah, it was a nice day, but I did let myself do some shopping. I say let myself because I've been saving money, trying to save money. I've recently accepted a new job, and I'll be starting in just over a week from today. So the day we went to Brighton was 2 days after I found out I just got the new job. So I let myself buy some things. When we first got to Brighton, as you might remember from the vlog, we found a cute little craft market. There were maybe 12 or 15 stalls there, but only really 2 or 3 of them kind of caught our attention because, I don't know, like, this is no shade to anyone, but obviously everyone at the craft market is there for a different niche, and anything pink, sparkly, glittery, whatever, jumps out at us. So the first store we were really interested in was Cotton Candy Caboodle, and from there I bought these clips. So I bought these 2 hair clips and this one, it was like 3 for £10, I think, or something like that. I think they're resin and glitter, but I adore them, and they had so many nice things. Tish also bought some little octopus studs from them. Tish bought these earrings.
The little octopus earrings.
But yeah, they were really friendly, the people at the store, and they were happy for us to take our time and rummage through all the clips they had and let me choose the perfect 3 I wanted. They let me take my time. They weren't rushing me. They were very patient is the word I'm looking for. They're very patient with us. So yeah, it was really nice to just meet fellow kind of creative people in the alternative rainbow pink glitter space. I was really happy with these. This clip isn't from them, this is from Claudia Maxwell. I think it was custom. Check out Cotton Candy Caboodle for your hair clip needs and jewellery needs. Then further along down the craft market, we found this store. We found Kaiju Creative, who is a graphic designer, and there were a couple of kawaii prints, there were key rings, and there were some Animal Crossing cards. So I got this card, which I'm obsessed with. Nook, Flicks and Chill. I love Tom Nook. I feel like he's overhated when really he's just, you know, trying to create jobs for people in the Animal Crossing economy. He's creating jobs, spreading the wealth, letting you pay your mortgage at your own pace. He's not sending the bailiffs after you. I think Tom Nook is actually a hero. So yeah, I bought this, and it is a card, but I'm gonna cut it. Basically, I was looking for prints, and this was only in the form of a card. So I'm gonna cut it, and then I can put it on my wall. Maybe frame it, maybe not, maybe just put it on my wall. Love this, and absolutely love everything else on the stall, so be sure to check out their Instagram, Etsy, website and email. Then after the stall, we went off to Collectif, which is one of my favourite shops. Again, if you dress alternative, you've probably heard of them. They have a little shop in London, but I prefer their Brighton shop because it's a bit bigger. I don't know, it's just, I don't know why I prefer it actually. I don't know if it's that much bigger, but I think the sales section is maybe easier to navigate in the Brighton store. Anyway, I find Collectif quite expensive, but worth the money because the stuff feels good quality. However, it's still expensive. So I always buy from the sale, and their sale is very, very, very good. I highly recommend looking at Collectif sale stuff. So I tried on a few things, but what I bought was this. It's a light pink button-up blouse with a tie that you tie around the front, and on the tie they've got these embroidered hearts. How sweet. I bought it because I know I will get wear out of it. Like, I really don't buy much fast fashion, but I do agree with buying fast fashion that you know you're gonna get wear out of. I was thinking, you know, I could wear this for work, I can wear it with layered items. It went really nicely layered under something I was wearing on the day, and it was just a bargain. So originally it should have been £39.99 and I got it for £20, so that's half price. So happy with this. I might try it on and put some footage in. So that was that. And then I also got this belt. If you buy any of like the skirts, the dresses or shorts from Collectif, they always or almost always come with a belt, and I really like their belts, but I didn't know they actually sold the belts separately, which is such a good shout because I have a yellow play suit from Collectif and I use the belt with other outfits all the time because I only have black thick kind of chunky belts that I really like that silhouette where it's something puffy and you cinch it in, and I only really have that yellow belt, or I have I think maybe 2 black elastic thick belts. So I use that yellow one all the time just because sometimes I want to wear a pastel outfit without black. So when I saw this, I knew I would get a lot of use out of this. They did also have a blue one and an orange one. I didn't really fancy the orange. I was gonna get the blue one as well, again, because I know I'm gonna wear it a lot, but I don't think they had a size that I would have fit into. For reference, this is a medium and my waist is medium. I'm not a small person by any means. I do often wear a large or a medium/large in things, but I think because of my silhouette, for this specifically, I went with medium rather than large. I just kind of tried it on in the shop over what I was wearing. And yeah, this is the size I needed 100%. Yeah, I didn't get the blue one. Maybe they have one online, but honestly, I've bought so many things recently. I am not fussed about going and hunting that down. But yeah, I really recommend these. I've already gotten wear out of this. Again, obviously Letty isn't here to show you what she bought, but I remember what she bought, and she bought an amazing dress. It's like mesh on the top, it's pink, it has a collar, it has a flared skirt and a heart belt that goes around the middle. It looked so pretty. She wore it the next day or the day after or something, so I will try and find pictures and put it in, but if not, then I'm sure I'll be able to find like the stock image from the website to put in. So yeah, Letty bought that and she looked gorgeous in it. I think we really had an amazing time in the changing rooms. The staff at Collectif was so friendly, and yeah, it was just a really nice experience. We weren't gonna try things on, because you know when you have a day trip out and you're walking everywhere and you're tired, you're kind of thinking, I can't really be bothered to go to the changing rooms and try all this stuff on, but we were so glad that we did. Yeah, probably wouldn't have spent money in there if we didn't, so I guess we were swindled a bit in that sense. No, we have no regrets. It was really lovely. Just lovely to kind of dress up and chat with, you know, other people who are passionate about alternative and vintage fashion. Yeah, it was very positive space. It had kind of like drunk girls bathroom in a nightclub energy, but everyone was sober and it was like 2 p.m. So loved it. The final thing I have to show you is my favorite item. We went to a shop called Sophie and Topsy, I think it's called. Sorry if I'm remembering it wrong. I am wrong. It was Sarah and Topsy. Idiot. But they had the most incredible selection of kawaii items. I think there should be a reel on the Big Pink Pages Instagram of everything we found in there. Just incredible. We could have spent much longer in there. We were like kids in a sweet shop. It's really easy to get to. It's literally right next to the pier in Brighton. It's quite small, but just it's absolutely packed with stuff. Like every wall, just so many things to look at. We spent so much time in there considering it's such a small space. Amazing stuff. So I bought something and Tish bought these sunglasses, and I'm gonna show you what I bought now. So it's a clock, it's for my sewing room, and I was torn between this one and a different one. The other one was like blue and white. This one is like pink and white, and I was gonna go for the blue and white one even though this one was cuter because my sewing room is pink and I thought maybe it would blend in a bit too much. But both Letty and Aisha were like, no, get this one. And I was like, okay. So I'm gonna open it now. I haven't actually opened this ever. I haven't seen it since it was put in the box for me. They let me keep the battery as well, so that's always good. I haven't got to buy a battery for it. That'll be the battery. Can you see it? I love it. I love it so much. I like it a few minutes fast. I'll show you close up. So we have mymelody here, little birds. Welcome to my happy home. It sparks joy. So I'm very happy with my purchase. I can't wait to put it up in my sewing room and just look and see cuteness on the wall every time I look up. This was £35, which I honestly thought was kind of a bargain. Not a bargain, but like I thought it was a fair price for what it is, which is something so unique. I haven't seen this before. They had a Hello Kitty one, they had a Pom Pom Purin one, and a cinnamon roll one. And I was gonna get a cinnamon roll. I was also thinking about the Hello Kitty, but I just think this is the cutest one, and I'm so happy with my purchase. So that was everything I have to show you today. Maybe I'll do another video like this in a couple of months if I collect more things. I know the videos that perform the best on the channel are of me opening shoes, but one, I don't really have the money to buy shoes all the time. Two, it's not really sustainable. And three, it's kind of what everyone else is doing on YouTube, no? Just buying things and opening it. So I do want to kind of have a few more creative video ideas for you to watch and enjoy, which is why, for example, you might have seen on the channel I have some budget videos of like, if you go to this shop and you have this much money, what can you buy? I think that's a more interesting concept. I think it's something a little bit different to what not everyone else on YouTube is doing. I'm sure it's not a completely original idea, but I just think it's a bit more sustainable, a bit more relatable, and just something a bit different. I think people like living vicariously through other people buying and opening things, and I do that too, and I love watching those videos, but in terms of what I can create, I can't do that all the time, and like I say, I don't think it's very healthy to be doing that all the time anyway. So I hope you're enjoying the new stuff I've been putting out, but if you do have any ideas or if you have any feedback on what I've been doing, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm so proud of how it's been growing. I know the numbers still probably look quite small to some of you, but to me, I've been monitoring it and it has been growing, and it means so much to me. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Do you like my top? I will see you in the next video. Bye.